True story. There's a girl who went to another school. Her name is Winnie. And she was a lot like other kids. She liked recess, she liked to play. But in some ways, she was unlike other kids. For example, she had a lot of freckles. I mean, a lot of freckles. It's like everybody went around the city, took everybody else's freckles, and gave them to Winnie. And Winnie's parents did not have a lot of money, so she rarely bought new clothes. She mostly wore her older sister's clothes. Some kids made fun of Winnie. They made fun of her freckles. They made fun of her clothes. They even made fun of her name, calling her Winnie the Pooh. Yeah. She never wanted to show the mean kids that she was hurt, so she never cried in front of them. But sometimes she would cry as she walked home. One girl, Bonnie, constantly made jokes about Winnie. And Bonnie, or Winnie I should say, Winnie had never done anything to deserve that. One day, Bonnie arrived at school with a broken ankle. She was using crutches. Bonnie and Winnie were waiting outside the classroom, waiting for their teacher to unlock the door. When they started going into the classroom, Bonnie had trouble reaching down and picking up her backpack as she balanced on her crutches. So Winnie simply picked up Bonnie's backpack for her and carried it into the room for her. Bonnie never bullied Winnie again. Now that story is an example of how a kind act on the part of Winnie brought about a positive change on the part of Bonnie.